What up, guys? I'm mad happy right now. I've been waiting forever. But finally, Forgiato just delivered the rims and we're gonna pop these open. Yo, Carlos, pop them rims open, baby. I'm excited. I ain't even see them yet, but we're gonna see them together. Check it out, baby. Y'all thought I was kidding. I'm ripping off the plastic. Put that up. Look, he confused. Carlos is confused. These two silver brush is gonna be on my passenger side. On the driver's side, it's gonna be all black with the silver inside. These wheels will hypnotize you, so you can't look too much, because you'll get hooked on them. Alright guys, I'm so excited that I'm even supervising this. Step by step, inch by inch. I'm looking into these. I'm even holding up the cap right now as he works. I don't even want to rest it nowhere. Got it in my hand, put it in my pocket. How you guys doing? The wait is over. We just pulled out the 580. The Forgiato wheels are on. Everybody's having mixed decisions. Everybody's saying they like one side. Everybody's saying they like the other side. So we're gonna give you guys a look at what we got going on here. So on the left side, this is how we rocking. Let's show the other side first before we go into picking. Now we got the same wheel on the other side, but all blacked out. It's getting mixed reviews. I have mixed feelings. Me, I like the brush side a lot more. And everybody's like 50-50 on the picks. And I like it because I got everybody's heads like mixed up right now. And I could imagine what's gonna happen when we take it out to the streets. I need y'all, look, I need y'all to tell the camera which wheel side you like first. We're gonna start with Mo over here. Which side you like more?
I said black. The other one is nice, but I'd rather go with the black. It just looks better.
All right, that's nice. Mike, what you rolling with?
I'm gonna say the silver just because it's James Bond. I like that a little bit more cleaner, so that's me.
All right, we got my boy Montana.
I'm saying double it up.
Double it up.
Come on, man. One on one side, one on the other side.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Homicide, Mo.
Same thing, trendsetters, people like that. Different.
Get the Autosport shirt.
Yeah, my boy's from Florida too. Repping the Autosport shirt. What side you rocking with? Silver or black?
Black on black.
He's fucking with the black on black. All right, you see we got mixed reviews, mixed decisions, but we're gonna get the best of both worlds and everybody could be happy like that. All right guys, we got 3 surprises for you tonight. I'm gonna mention to you one by one. But first I wanna introduce my boy Mike. He's all the way from Florida. We're about to do a crazy music video and he's gonna take it away.
What's going on, everybody? This is Ketchy checking in. We in New York City at Autosport. We're about to shoot Diamonds Eliantte, New York City, Times Square. I got my man's Autosport. Shout out Autosport. We're here for 2 days. Hopefully everything's gonna go crazy. We shooting a movie. New York City.
My boy Mike from Tampa, Florida. We're gonna do a crazy video. And you know, when people come to see us, we do it up big. We're getting him S580 going to Times Square, the Liberty Walk Maserati GT, and the big monster truck Escalade down there.
VVS diamonds on my neck will make you blind. Pull up Rolls Royce, spin the block another time. Rolly bust down on my wrist, can't tell the time. Diamonds Eliantte while we rockin' Givenchy. While we rockin' Givenchy. Diamonds Eliantte while we rockin' Givenchy. While we rockin' Givenchy. Diamonds Eliantte while we rockin' Givenchy. Pull up lamb truck, decide to switch sides. 800 horses, these tires can't slide. She ain't never seen the stars that's inside. Watch on both wrists, I wear at the same time. 20K a night, I know they see that.
Sure. All right, guys, don't try this at home. We got pulled over. Did you catch that? Yeah, he caught it. We got pulled over. Been here for like 15, 20 minutes already. They're giving us moving violations and all that. They don't want to extend no courtesy, but who cares? We're looking beautiful out here. I'm happy because this is for my Autosport team, and you guys get to see our lovely whips. So here she is, my S580 on FORGIATO'S, finally done. We're in the big city. We're getting tickets for you guys, but that's what we want to do. We want to make you guys happy, and we're going to enjoy the experience together. That's one side. We're going to show you the other side now too. Woo. Double, 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 baby. Show them the back. Look at the concavity. I need everybody that's watching this to pick a side. We're going silver or we're going black. Let me know which one you guys like best.
VVS diamonds on my
The Maserati also got pulled over, and this is super funny because my boy Mo is driving and Mo is deaf. So the cop yelled at him like 20 times super loud, and he's telling them he's deaf. There they are, look, they're raining us up summons. But it's all good. We got all the cops out here. We're gonna find out from Mo what happened to him. Yeah, he's yelling at him deaf, right? What the hell? Come whip. Yo, come here, you, come here. I wanna understand, how the f were you guys obstructing the traffic? We were following and we got fucked with the tickets.
They couldn't get to us.
There, so the monster truck got away, but we were too slow?
I look like one of them.
Oh, he looks like one of them
like
now.
one.
You see, you gotta look like a cop and the cops won't stop you. They got away and that big monster truck, the Maserati and the 580 got caught. Hey,
Shout out Autosport.
let me hear that, let me hear that.
This is the head honcho right here, Diamonds Eliantte, drops on Thanksgiving.
Woo! Let's get it, baby, we out here.
bust down on my wrist, can't tell the time. Diamonds Eliantte while we rockin' G-Vine.